In this video, I'll show you how to use the Cinematic Haze effect in DaVinci Resolve to add depth and atmosphere. Please note that this is a studio-only feature. Let's get started. Go to the color page and make sure you're on a node. Search for Cinematic Haze and add it to the node. In the inspector, enable Depth Map Preview. Adjust the near and far limit sliders to define where the haze should appear. Focus on keeping the white area around the depth you want affected. Once that looks right, turn off the Depth Map Preview. You'll now see the haze applied. Under Atmospheric Scattering, adjust the density to control the strength, and tweak the color if you want to slightly tint the haze. Scroll down, enable Light Rays, then adjust the angle and length to shape the rays. Keep these adjustments subtle for a natural look. Finally, enable air disturbance at the bottom to add realism and break up the haze slightly. That's all it takes to create cinematic atmosphere using the Cinematic Haze effect in DaVinci Resolve Studio.